question we are given ABC and ADC, two right triangles with common hypotenuse AC. We have to prove that angle CAD is equal to angle CBD. Let's begin with the solution. And first let us draw two right triangles ABC and ADC on the common hypotenuse AC. So let ABC and ADC be the two right triangles at B and D, and they have the common hypotenuse AC. We have to prove that angle CAD, that is this angle, is equal to angle CBD. So let us join BD. So we have to prove that angle CAD is equal to angle CBD. That is, these two angles, we have to show that these two angles are equal. So here we are given that triangle ABC and triangle ADC are the two right triangles on the same hypotenuse AC. We have to prove that angle CAD is equal to angle CBD. Let's begin with the proof. Now, as angle ABC is equal to 90 degrees and angle ADC is equal to 90 degrees, this is we are given. Therefore, a circle can be drawn as AC diameter which passes through the point B and D. And this is because angle in a semicircle is of 90 degrees. So let us draw a circle such that ABCD lie on it. So this is the circle such that the vertices ABCD lie on it. Now this implies that angle CAD and angle CBD are subtended by the same arc CD on the circumference. This implies that angle CAD and angle CBD are angles in the same segment. And we know that angles in the same segment are equal. Therefore, this further implies that angle CAD is equal to angle CBD, and this is what we are supposed to prove. This completes the solution.